At the outset, let me extend my sincere thanks to MasterSoftware for giving me this opportunity to be in front of you. In fact, Poonam said we are associated with MasterSoft from 2011. So we had a lot of interactions and deliberations about the development as well. And it has been wonderfully happening. Only thing is, I would say, one has to be passionate. What we are doing, if we are passionate about it, and then if we work according to our passion and full commitment and devotion, then it takes a lot of your patience and perseverance. And everybody, when you work with your institution, you feel that your institution is everything for you. Once that feeling comes in, whereas if you say that I'm serving there, I'm doing my service there, then it's a different line altogether. But when you take it with a lot of passion, then my dear friends, it becomes easier, little easier, not very easy. So I think today we are going to have a very, very fruitful session. And I must compliment MasterSoft for organizing such wonderful sessions. In fact, when the lockdown began, I think they have not taken a backseat. They have done a lot of webinars and seminars to make it, that lockdown period, live and energetic. And I think they are the first one to have a physical seminar happening, they have taken that lead in that as well. So my compliments to you and congratulations to you for bringing all of us together. At least we have not seen for 1.5 years, we have not seen. But we have to take extreme care. And with that careful note, let me wish all the participants a good time. So wishing MasterSoft once again all the best and thanking them for arranging this. And I wish all the participants to have a good time all throughout the day. Thank you.